cysgu eto, Tomos?
Oh, sorry.
Look, Tom, I know it's not exactly exciting, but we've got to stay awake and keep an eye on all these sheep.
Yeah, I know.
Ew, mae'n ddiflas, tydi, boys?
Yeah, you're right there, Dafydd. It's like watching grass grow in the dark. Still, it's better than stacking shelves, I suppose.
You want to play a game of I Spy or something? Help us to stay awake?
Na, dim diolch.
No, thanks, Peter.
Mon defaid dwi'n gweld, anyway.
Who would have thought it, eh? Who would have thought that it happened here?
What's that?
Be?
Out of all the places that it could have happened, that it happened right here in our field.
Oh, yeah.
And out of all the people who could have seen it happen.
Ie, wir. Nid y brenin, nid y bobl gywythog neu bobl bwysig, nid dyrfa enfawr o bobl.
Nah, it was us. A bunch of scruffy shepherds who got to see it.
The greatest show on earth. Ever.
Wel, ie, mae'n siŵr.
Here in our very own field.
And on a night just like tonight too. We were sitting here just as bored as we are now. And then, wham!
Anhygoel.
What a night. Peter, you were scared out of your wits when it happened, weren't you? You'd never been so terrified in all your life, had you, lad?
Ie, ti ar hyd ag adrat mam oedd a ti mor ofn?
No, I wasn't, Dafydd. I was just a bit, startled, confused. After all, I had no idea what was going on. None of us had.
Yeah, but we didn't all leg it. Yeah, big girl's blouse.
It's not true. Oh, come off it. You were just as scared as I was. Only difference is I started to run away, and you were just frozen to the spot in absolute terror.
Well, illa.
Yeah, maybe we were. Well, it came out of nowhere, didn't it? We were there, in the dark, and then BAM! All that light, all over the place. And not normal light either, it was like wibbly-wobbly, twinkly-winkly light.
Ie, ti'n iawn. A'r cwbl yn dod o'r angel mawr na.
Well, you say angel, but that hardly does it justice, really, does it? I suppose that's what it was, though.
And that voice it had. Oh, I have never heard anything like it before.
Peidiwch bod ofn.
Yeah, it was a bit late by then, wasn't it? Don't be afraid.
Mae gen I newyddion da I chi.
I am bringing you good news of great joy for all the people.
Mae eich achubwr wedi cael ei eni heddiw.
Today, in the town of David, a Saviour has been born to you. He is the Messiah, the Lord.
A dyma'r arwydd I chwi.
This is what you're to look for. a baby wrapped in a blanket and lying in a manger.
It was amazing. I didn't know what to think, no?
A wedyn y canu.
And then he wasn't just one of them. He was hundreds, thousands.
That light! I mean, it was already amazing. But then when all the others turned up, it reset the scale. It was like all the stars came out of the heavens to shine over our little field.
Yn canu, gogoniant I Dduw yn y nefoedd uchaf.
Peace on earth to all who please God.
Oh, the singing. I felt like I'd never really heard singing before. That's how I felt. It was just something else.
A wedyn dyma nhw'n gorffan a mynd yn ôl i'r nefoedd.
And that was it. What a show.
Do you ever wonder if maybe we did just imagine it? Like, maybe we are crazy after all.
No, come on, Tom. We've been through this. We were all there, and we all saw the same thing.
Wnaethon ni gyd glywed yr un negas.
More to the point, we all remember what happened afterwards.
Yeah, we ran for it, all the way into town.
I mean what we found afterwards.
Baban bach yn gorwedd yn y gwair.
Just like the angel said, a baby wrapped in a blanket, lying in a manger. I mean, you never would have imagined that. The promised Messiah being born round the back of our local pub.
Peth anhygoel, doedd?
No, you're right, Peter. No, I believed it on that night, that's for sure. When I came back here, I was just full of it, singing to God, thanking him for everything. No, it's just sometimes you wonder, yeah, if maybe we got a bit carried away. Most people round here think we're a bit crazy anyway.
But not all of them. And everyone was pretty impressed at the time when we told them what had happened.
A'r rhieni hefyd. Oedden nhw'n synnu wrth glywed be wnes I ddeutho nhw. Ond o'n nhw'n credu bob gair, dwi'n siŵr.
Oh yeah, the baby's parents definitely believed us. I think they were really chuffed when we told them all about what the angel had said.
There was definitely something about that baby, wasn't there?
Oedd tad. Baban bach arbennig iawn.
Yeah, wasn't any old baby, somehow.
Do you think he really will be the one then? The one who's going to set us all free? The big boss? That little baby?
Wel ie. Mae'n swnio'n anhygoel iawn mewn ffordd. Ond o'n i'n credu'r noson honno. A dwi'n dal I gredu rwan.
Let's put it this way, Tom. Everything we saw and heard that night was just like the angel said. He said the Saviour of the world had been born, and the others all agreed with him. And there's no way I'm going to argue with a massive army of angels. Are you?